We're gonna get moved today, guys. We're gonna get you guys in the trailer. Let's go see the ladies, get some feed, and we'll get you guys in the trailer. We'll be right back. Good morning, mamas. Good morning. Good morning. I know. All right. I'll get you some movement. Getting that breakfast in. All right, let's go get the boys inside the trailer. All right, so all right. Hey, if you show them what you got, then they'll follow you. So, let's see here, Bubba. You awesome? All right. Come on, guys. And we'll put it up here. Now that they're in there, we can shut the door. Now that they are in there, we can get them moved to the next spot. Feed them in the trailer, because that's one of the only ways I kind of know how to get them into the trailer. They won't run in there by themselves. I'm sure with anybody with goats or 99% of livestock knows how that goes. But the feed works well. Well, we got them loaded up. Let's get the fence down, trailer moved. Hard time getting this grounding rod in the ground here. It's been so dry this summer and hot. Everything's dry and hard as a rock. But we're gonna get the ground rod in, let the goats out, and show you what it's about. I don't know if it's going any deeper than that, but there we go. All right. Let's jump in. I'll let the goats out first. I'll come back out, and then we'll turn the fence on and test it. All right, let's test this fence and see how we're hitting. Usually in my area here, we're usually hitting, I don't know, around between 7,600 and 9,800. As long as I'm over about 6,000, 6,200 or so on volts, I'm not worried about it. But I usually hardly ever even go that low. .3, 8.2, that's a good shock. Yeah, I'm happy with that. A good shock. Let's check the other side just to make sure we're hitting hot on both sides. We don't have a short somewhere in the middle. 9.2, 8.6, 8.1, 8.0. All right, well, I'm happy with that. And I know the goats will appreciate that too, with the coyotes not jumping. All right, guys, well, we're on our way to go get our new buckling. Duckling? No, not a duckling, a buckling, our new boy goat.
It sounds like a duckling.
Sounds like a duckling? Yeah, maybe one day. Ducks are kind of gross. Got a little bit of drive ahead of us, but we're gonna get up the road and get a new buckling and get him loaded up in the back of the truck, and when we get home, we'll get them situated in with Rocky and Holstein, and we'll show you how that goes. Picked up our buckling, yeah, about what, 30 minutes ago or so now. On our way home, we're gonna swing by a little store. We'll take you guys in there.
What is this? Mango? Peach. Apple. Don't cheat. Peach, see? Oh yeah, peach. But corn kernel. Corn kernel. Oh.
Yeah, we're back. There we go.
No, it's not. Yeah, it is. I don't see anything. Yeah, but it is.
Alright. You ready to go meet your new buddies?
You got new friends.
I hear them. They're on a trailer.
They're excited. They're so excited to see the new goat. You. You're so handsome.
So the owners told me that he loves animal crackers. So we'll give him some animal crackers. A little treat before he goes in with the other boys. How are they?
Good. It's like dry bread, but still pretty good.
Alright. Think he's gonna take one?
Dad,
Let's see.
Dad, see the boys out.
You don't look very interested in animal crackers. Are the boys out now?
Where?
All right.
Yeah.
Did you turn the fence off?
Can I go? Can I?
Yeah, go turn the fence off real quick.
No. Really nice for me. Should isn't it back here somewhere? Oh. You mean turn it off? You mean? Oh my gosh, Rocky's brown.
Sure the fence is off?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna test it. I guess I'm the tester. Yo, going in. All right, let's see how he does. He's a little bit bigger than Rocky. But
Rocky's brown? I thought he was just dusty black.
dusty black, what is that?
Like black that looks dusty?
He's a new goat. They're gonna check out who he is and
See if they like
what he's doing here.
Aww,
Hey, go turn the fence on real quick. I don't think he's used to this fence. He's probably gonna have to touch it a couple times to know what it feels like.
Hey, it's on.
Yeah, be careful. Don't touch the fence now. It's on. They seem to be getting along.
I know.
I'm wondering if this new goat, I think we're gonna name him Yeti, so I'm wondering if Yeti is used to or knows what the electric fence is, because he's not acting like he wants to touch it. He's acting like he's pretty respectful for it. We'll see. He'll get a shock if he touches it. But oh, there he goes. He's gonna touch it now. Yep, there he goes. He got it. He touched it with his tongue too, I think. That's gonna get him pretty good. He's gonna go again. He's gonna say, what was that? Yep, got him again. He's probably gonna touch it 1 or 2 more times and realize that's not worth it. So it's mean, I guess. Some people say it's mean. I'll be honest. I don't think it's very mean. Keeping them in there to protect themselves, because if they get out, then they can hurt themselves, and coyotes and foxes that can get on them, and a little shock ain't gonna do no damage to them. But there he is.
Yeah. If you want, you can go in the trailer.